How to fix Capcut one task being processed issue. Now this is very simple and quick. So if we will try to pull up our Capcut software right here and we'll try to edit a video. So let's go ahead and drag this existing video right here for example. Now if you click on the current video that you would like to edit, there is going to be a bunch of options located at the top right portion of your screen, which is, for example, the blend, the stabilized, enhance image, reduce image noise. Now these options or these features right here is not an instant or an immediate quick edit. So if we choose or we clicked on reduce image noise, there is an actual processing time that is going to be 100% before you will have to export your video. So you'll just have to wait. If you really wanted to use reduce image noise, you'll have to wait till this processing feature right here go up directly to 100% before you will export this video right here. If you would like to cancel the specific feature, which is going to be the reduce image noise, you can go ahead and untick it, and that's the time that you can export the video without any problems. So that's it. That's how you fix CapCut one task being processed issue.